If you were laid off, one of the hardest questions you may face is how to explain what happened, not just in interviews, but to recruiters, former colleagues, and even yourself. Today is not about justifying your worth or defending your past. Today is about creating a calm, professional story that protects your confidence and gives others clarity without oversharing. Job loss often triggers shame, self-doubt, and a fear of being judged. That emotional weight can make people over-explain, apologize, or give too much detail. But the truth is simple. Layoffs are business decisions, not personal failures. Your story does not need drama to be credible. It needs calm and clarity. The purpose of your story is not to relive the experience. It is to help the listener understand what happened and where you are now. A strong layoff explanation does three things. It states the reason clearly. It avoids blame or emotion, and it redirects attention toward your next step. Here is a simple, professional script you can use. I was impacted by a company-wide restructuring. My role was eliminated as part of a broader reduction. And since then, I have been focused on identifying my next opportunity. That is it. No apology, no justification, no extra detail. Avoid language that sounds defensive, emotional, or self-blaming. You do not need to explain office politics, leadership decisions, or how hard the experience was. Oversharing can unintentionally raise doubts that do not need to exist. Calm confidence builds trust faster than detail. The same core story works everywhere. With recruiters, keep it short and neutral. In interviews, pause after the explanation and wait for the next question. In networking conversations, redirect the focus to what you are exploring now. Consistency builds credibility. The most important version of this story is the one you tell yourself. A layoff does not erase your experience, skills, or value. When you speak about it calmly, your nervous system settles and your confidence follows. This is not about pretending it did not hurt. It is about choosing a story that supports your forward movement. Today's actions are simple. First, write your one-sentence layoff explanation. Second, practice saying it out loud until it feels steady. Third, stop there. You do not need to apply, explain, or prepare more today. What comes next is a shift from explanation to structure. With your story settled, you can begin building a clear, supportive plan that creates momentum without pressure. Career Reset at Spiritual Holistic Healing is about taking the whole picture into account. Your emotions, your nervous system, your experience, and the practical realities of your professional life all matter here. When those pieces are respected together, progress feels steadier and more sustainable. If this step supported you, please like this video, subscribe for continued guidance, and share your thoughts in the comments. Join us again as we continue building clarity, structure, and forward movement, one grounded step at a time.